Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to delete a course on your Duolingo. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser, and once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in www.duolingo.com and search. From the home screen of Duolingo, click on I already have an account and log into your account using your password and your email address. Once you're signed in, you'll end up in the home screen. From the home screen of Duolingo, go and click on your profile picture at the upper right and go to the settings option from the menu. Now, from the right-hand side menu, click on Learning Language. Now, click on Reset or Remove Languages and click on Reset Progress. From the pop-up, select OK. It says that if you reset a language, you'll lose all the progresses and it can't be undone. Once you reset your progress, simply click on the Remove button. Once you do that, you'll be able to remove a course on your Duolingo. You'll only be able to remove a language with your desktop or your iOS, since the feature is not available on your Android device. That is how you can easily remove a language from Duolingo. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.